Welcome everyone, it's Glacier Guy, Rock the Glacier as always. We got some Hour of Devastation pre-release. I did open a couple of these a while, like not on my channel, but I did open a couple of these like just when they came out. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with the Hour of Devastation. I like the Hour of Devastation block. I liked playing it. It wasn't always the most impressive block, but I think it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Okay, how do I open this? I'm trying to remember. Okay, I think it just pops open. Okay, that's weird. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, that's right. It had this weird thing. Cool dice, little bolas, horn action going on here. All right, and it pops up like that. And we got a Refuse to Cooperate promo card, July 2017. Deals damage to target spell's controller equal to that spell's converted mana cost. Aftermath, copy target instant sorcery, you may choose new targets. Not bad. All right, I'll put that back. And we have 4 packs of Hour and 2 packs of Amonkhet. I like Amonkhet Hour, but really what we're doing here today is we're just gonna see if we can get a what do you call it? One of the invocation cards. Probably not with just 6 packs, but who knows? Could get lucky. Let me put this here. We're just gonna go through the Hour. Probably not gonna worry about building a deck, because pretty much what I would do back in the day is I would just go Boros, like Boros speed. Boom, we got a mummy, got a guide during, we got some Aven going on, a little flying action going on there. I've opened a plenty of Hour. Well, I've opened mostly Amonkhet, not Hour. Beneath the Sands, down there. Moaning Wall, Gift of Strength. Crash Through, this was in 2019, I think. Strategic Planning. Wall of Forgotten Pharaohs. Desert of the Glorified, like the deserts. Gideon's Defeat. Liliana's Defeat. Abrade, nice. And Kefnet's Last Word. I like the Abrade. Gain control of target artifact, creature, or enchantment, land controlled on untap. That's not too bad. I wouldn't mind that. And an Earthshaker Kenra token card. All right. I don't think we're gonna get an invocation, but if we do, that'd be pretty cool. Some do say that the pre-release kits have a higher chance of getting an invocation, but I'm not 100% sure if that's true. Tragic Lessons, Act of Heroism, Puncturing Blow, Wretched Camel, Rona's Stalwart, Drew's Renunciation, Unsummon, like the Unsummon, another Desert of the Glorified, Manolith, very useful, like the Manolith, Thorn to Moloch, Jace's Defeat, might get all the defeat cards, River Hoopa, or I don't know how you pronounce that. All right, and we got a Bane Whip Punisher, and a Driven to Despair, and a Full Art Swamp, not bad. Driven to Despair is kind of sad, but whatever. All right, next pack. I am going to see if I can try to get some more Hour of Devastation, at least maybe one more box on the channel, because I don't really ever open one box on that channel. Kindling Fury, Reed Stalker, Act of Heroism, Sidewinder Naga, Marauding Bone Slasher, Strategic Planning, Desert of the Mindful, Gift of Strength, Crash Through, another Manolith, very useful, Farm to Markets, what are we doing there? Mag Marath and Infernal Dreadlands, and an Endless Sun for a rare. I never liked when I got these rare lands. And then we got Xert and a Plains. So you put a colorless, you can exile target creature you control, sacrifice the sand, return each creature exiled within the sun to the battlefield. It's useful for flicker effects, but I don't know. It's just, I mean, the art is interesting. I'm not really super keen on the Endless Sun, and it's not really worth a lot either. I think in the right deck it can be useful, but... Alright, there is a P.O. box for Wizards of the Coast. Send them a letter. Tell them how much you enjoy their cards, if you enjoy their cards. Alright, another Aerial Guide. Dutiful Servants. Ooh, Frontline Devastator, like that. Unquenchable Thirst. Torment of Venom. Not bad. Harrier Naga. Desert the Indomitable. Graven Abomination, little horror action going on there. Striped River Winder. I would see a lot of these like in play. Ruin Rat. Gideon's Defeat. Cosine Oblivion. Or Consign to Oblivion. Okay, yeah. Ruiner Map Ruins. This was very useful back in the day. And another Refuse to Cooperate. And all right. And a forest and a cat token. All right, now we're in Amonkhet territory. We're gonna get a Invocation Force Will. That'd be kind of cool. I think I got a Worship. Yeah, I think I got a Worship Invocation. What is it? Rhet Crop? I don't know how to pronounce that. Hieroglyphic Illumination. I like the Fling. Spidery Grasp. Blighted Bat. The Cultivator. Shimmerscale Drake. Blazing Volley. Painful Lesson. The Minotaur. Ah, freaking this Minotaur is awesome. Not as good as the other one. If we get the other Minotaur in there, I definitely would play Minotaur. Onward to Victory. Boom. By-Force. I really like By-Force. By-Force is very useful against artifacts. Deem Worthy. And, oh, nice. A Cut to Ribbons. Yeah. Cut to Ribbons. Very useful in the Rakdos deck. Okay. All right. That's a spicy... I like Cut to Ribbons. I made an entire Rakdos standard deck with Cut to Ribbons being one of the center cards in it. Pretty nice. Fanbearer. The Skirmisher. Minotaur Short Shots. The Resolve. I love Greater Sandworm. He's pretty cool. Mummy. Final Reward. And the Deliverance. A Cartouche of Strength. I can't pronounce that. Hyena Pack. Ooh, Enigma Drake. Spicy. Shadowstorm Vizier, not bad. Seraph of the Suns. Ooh, Archfiend of Ifnir. Oh, a Full Art Plains. Here we go. I like the Archfiend of Ifnir. He's not bad. It's pretty good. In a token, or in a little pinger deck. Yeah, I don't know. I could see going Rakdos. I'm not 100% sure how I would play this now that I have this open. I could go... there wasn't a lot of red-blue spells. I don't think, yeah, there wasn't a huge red-blue package. It's kind of a mix. I would definitely think about going Cut to Ribbons because I really like Cut to Ribbons. What do we got in red-black that would be spicy? Not a ton in black. We got the Wall, Camel. Yeah. There's a lot of 1-ofs in here, not a lot of 2-ofs. Normally when I play a deck, I like to have a couple 2-ofs, kind of a couple crash throughs. A Braid's good. This might be like just like a, what do you call it? A free-for-all, just make a bunch of, just kind of pick like the best cards, maybe a 5-color madness at this point. I can't think of maybe I'm just not seeing it. I can't think of like a strategy I would go. Maybe red, blue, because we got some flying in here. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, what do you think? What do you think I should go with this? I'm not 100% sure. It's kind of a conundrum. Well, hope you guys have enjoyed the pack openings. We still have a couple more left to finish off the pre-release kits. And have a good day. Goodbye.